Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 27th, 2026. It's a very nice morning this morning. Yesterday was a little hot. It's going to be a little bit cooler today. And today the Amish crew are supposed to show up. So they were supposed to show up yesterday, but they didn't. But I spoke with Henry yesterday at noon, called him, and he said they'll be here this morning. So they should be here any minute. Usually they roll in about 7:30 or so. So good Lord willing, everything will work out today. I'm a little stressed. I didn't sleep last night. Worried about the projects here and all. So hopefully everything goes well. We got the metal in yesterday. The soffit. So hopefully we got everything that we're going to need here. Fingers crossed anyways. So we'll see how the day goes. Here we go.
I was young with dust on my boots and time to burn. Didn't know much, but I was willing to learn. Sat on tailgates, porches, old shop floors. Listened to stories drift through open doors. They weren't famous, didn't wear a crown, just men who'd been through life, worn it down. Some had money, some just got by, but truth doesn't care who's asking why. It wasn't books or titles on a wall. It was quiet words I still recall. What they said still stays with me, like roots run deep in memory. Simple truths in a weathered tone, little things that have fully grown. Didn't matter what they owned or made, just the weight behind the words they gave. Now I carry what they gave away, and what they said still stays. Old Mr. Green said, son, don't chase every flame. You'll lose yourself trying to win that game. Another man said, work while you can. Time doesn't wait on any man. One told me, listen more than you speak. Another said, stay humble when you're strong, not weak. Just passing thoughts in a moment's air. But I've been living my whole life there. Didn't know it then, but I know it now. Those little words still show me how. What they said still stays with me, like roots run deep in memory. Simple truths in a weathered tone, little things that have fully grown. Didn't matter what they owned or made, just the weight behind the words they gave. Now I carry what they gave away, what they said still stays. Now I'm standing where they used to stand. Lines in my face, tools in my hands. Got a few things I could pass along, but it feels like the moment's gone. They're looking down at a glowing screen, chasing likes, chasing something unseen. And I see myself in them somehow, just a different kind of noise now. We were restless, and we didn't always hear, but we still had silence draw us near. Now the world doesn't ever slow that pace, hard to find that listening space. Still I'll say what was said to me, and hope it finds its way to be a quiet seed in a younger mind. Maybe later, maybe in time. 'Cause truth doesn't fade, it just gets delayed, and wisdom waits where it was laid. So I'll speak it anyway, 'cause what they said still stays. Yeah, what they said still stays. quiet, it finds a way. Well, I've walked these dirt roads since I was knee-high to a mule. Seen the big wheels turning while the little man plays the fool. They spin that revolving door from the Capitol straight to the boardroom floor. Staffers turn to lobby men, writing laws behind closed doors. Bills come fat with loopholes, sweetened for the chamber and the bank, while the working folks pay the freight and the politicians say thanks. That heavy gravity only pulls you down if you lay still. Time to stand up, shake it off, and bend this crooked wheel. We can change it, yeah, we can change it, if we quit scrolling and start raising hell the right way. It ain't easy, takes some fire in your belly, but the people's voice still rings that Liberty Bell today. No more quiet deals in the dead of night, no more selling tomorrow for a lobbyist delight. We can change it if we got the will. Takes blood, sweat, and boots on the ground, but we can change it still. They got the money pouring in like rain on a flooded field. Super PACs and dark money, hiding who pays the real bill. Red and blue don't matter much when the check clears the same. Safe seats in safe districts, playing their insider game. But I remember when a man's word was worth more than gold, when neighbors stood together, not bought and sold. Open up those books, let the sunlight hit that rock. Disclose who's buying votes before we cast another lot. We can change it, yeah, we can change it, if we quit scrolling and start raising hell the right way. It ain't easy, takes some fire in your belly, but the people's voice still rings that Liberty Bell today. No more quiet deals in the dead of night, no more selling tomorrow for a lobbyist delight. We can change it if we got the will. Takes blood, sweat, and boots on the ground, but we can change it still. Now I see folks marching with their signs held high in the street, yelling loud about tomorrow while the real chains grow deep. Chasing every headline, burning daylight in the sun, feeling like they're fighting, but the quiet deals still get done. It's easy to get angry, easy to join the show, but anger without aim just lets the machine roll slowly. Don't waste your fire on the spectacle and the noise. The system's built on silence, not on girls and boys. Cooling off periods, 5 to 10 years in the cold. No more walking straight from Congress into corporate gold. Ranked choice voting, let your conscience vote true. Break the duopoly grip, give the little guy his due. Hit 'em local, city hall, state house, where it all begins. Anti-corruption acts and democracy vouchers from within. Join the watchdogs barking, primary the safe and sound. Make the cost of selling out higher than the donor's pound. It ain't a shadowy cabal with horns and mid his lights. When public pressure costs him more than losing that fat check, that's when the tide will turn and the strong man breaks his neck. I've seen hard times break stronger backs than mine, but I've seen good folks rise when they finally drew the line. So grab your neighbor's hand, quit waiting on the fix. This machine runs on our silence. Time to throw in some sticks. We can change it, Lord knows we can change it, if we quit scrolling and start raising hell the right way. It ain't easy, but freedom never was. Takes that old country fire straight from the well. No more quiet deals, no more hidden hands. We the people still got the power in this land. We can change it if we got the will. Takes blood, sweat, tears, and boots on the ground. But brother, we can change it still. Yeah. An old man like me ain't got many miles left, but I ain't going quiet into that good night. If you're tired of being ground down by that $5 billion engine, stand up smart, speak up clearly, work the levers that matter, hit the books, hit the ballots, change the rules of the game, 'cause we can change it. We damn sure can change it. I've seen sunshine break across a field of gold, and I've stood out in the rain, feeling tired and cold. Watch good plans fall apart right in my hands, and somehow later understood what I couldn't understand. Some roads lead nowhere, some roads lead home. Some nights you're surrounded, some nights alone. People come like seasons, then they fade away, leaving little lessons that still echo today. Everything happens for a reason. The highs and the lows all have their season. Every wind that bends you, every loss that breaks you, every soul that finds you, everyone that leaves you. None of it's random, none of it's wasted. Every tear and triumph somehow gets braided into the person you were meant to be. So when life feels heavy, pause and breathe. There's meaning in this too. Sometimes doors slam shut before you're ready. Sometimes the ground shakes underneath what felt steady. But looking back now on the hardest years, I can see the purpose hidden in the tears. The failures taught me patience, the heartbreak taught me grace, the storms taught me courage when I had nowhere safe, and every wrong turn somehow brought me here, standing stronger now than I ever appeared. Everything happens for a reason. The highs and the lows all have their season. Every wind that bends you, every loss that breaks you, every soul that finds you, everyone that leaves you. None of it's random, none of it's wasted. Every scar and memory somehow gets shaped into the person you were meant to be. heart feels heavy, pause and breathe. There's meaning in this too. Maybe the waiting has a purpose. Maybe the silence has a sound. Maybe what feels like falling apart is just life turning you around towards something bigger, toward where you belong. Everything happens for a reason. Even the winters help create the spring. Every mountain climbed and valley walked through, every goodbye and dream you held on to. The pain ain't forever, the story keeps moving, and every hard road keeps slowly proving you're closer than you think you are. So when the night feels dark, look up at the stars. There's meaning in this too. Yeah, there's meaning in this too. Every moment carrying you closer to the truth.
Well, the guys showed up today, and everything went pretty well. So the south face of the workshop has the sheet metal on it around the doors and all. I have trim to do around the doors still, but this looks pretty good. And the east and west sides look pretty good. Still more to do at the other end of it back there. Go to the other side here. I've just been picking up and cleaning up since they left. And there's more to get picked up too, but I guess I'll do that tomorrow. It's time to go have dinner, close up the shop. And I'm glad we went with the wainscot. I think it looks nice. So tomorrow we'll start, but have got to finish up this building, the part that went up, and then we're going to tie it all together and wrap this shop here. But it's getting there, bit by bit. The boys made pretty darn good progress today, so I'm real happy about how things worked out today. There's always more to do, but what the heck, and I just found some more trash. Oh well, I'll get that tomorrow. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.